Snowball, is there anything you want to share to the viewers about your sister? Huh? Anything you want to share? Huh? That she was the best sister? Yeah. Was she the best sister? Remember when you first met her? Yeah. Remember? When we brought you home and she was so excited to see you. Excited to get a brand new to get a baby sister. Yeah. She was so excited. And she loved you so much. Yeah. Remember when she protected you from that big doggy that ran in our house? Yeah. And then she would bathe you when you were a kitten. Remember all that? Yeah. You're gonna miss your big sister, aren't you? Yeah. And then as she got older, you started protecting her. Yeah. As you got older too, you started protecting her. Y'all were very protective of each other. Y'all had a beautiful bond. But she's watching over you in heaven. Yep. She'll be watching you. My sweet baby girl.